free. Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be free? I said, do you want to be happy? Do you want to be free? Free from pain, free from scars, free to sing, free from bars, free from dogs, you're free to go. Life get hard, ease your soul. Learn to fly, reach for the stars. Then take some time, don't look behind too far. Ooh, free from harm, free from hurt, free from hell. If they ain't here to let you grow, then let them go. Can't stop your glow, and that's for sure. You're a child of God, just watch it flow. Don't look far behind, but think to yourself. Look where I done came from. Look how far I done came. Look where I done came from. Look how far I done came. Free to be happy. Free from pain. Free to fly. Free. I just wanna be happy and free.
I was arrested on December 1st, 1955 for refusing to stand up on the orders of the bus driver after the white seats had been occupied in the front. And I thought a real Christian